Innovation can't live in silos anymore. Growth happens when ideas, capital and capability move freely between regions and sectors. The West Midlands is showing how that can work. Established firms sharing challenges, startups bringing agility, and organisations like SuperTech acting as the bridge.
Today's been a really great event. We've had a real meeting of minds of people. I've heard about some technology and innovations that I would never have even dreamed of hearing about, and starting to think about how they might play a part in our industry is really interesting.
So it's been really great to be here and meet new people, set up new collaborations and see how we can help bring more funding to the region and support early stage businesses.
Research from our latest programme is that innovation is actually not being held back by technology at all, and it is being held back by trust. Influence from respected peers has been identified as a key pillar to that trust.
The thing I'd take away from this is the simplicity and the speed and the cost, the low cost that you can create something with. It really is the future, and I'm going to be bringing this back to my team, and I think they're going to be blown away by it.
What's been really good about today is convening a really interesting and exciting bunch of fintechs together with SuperTech. Seeing what these firms are doing, the plans for rolling out their products and services, and the impact that has for the businesses and consumers that they work with is really exciting. And I think fintech is in safe hands if that's anything to go by.